It's going from under the door up, and hang it from the strap from the nail into the tent. Like I said, it's a monstrous tent. I mean, it comes up to here on me. I'm 6 foot tall, so I guess that's 10 feet. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's 12. I don't know. I gotta get a tape measure out. But anyway, I got the fan hooked up. Let me show you here. The fan is hooked up. I took that 12-inch exhaust and just shoved it in through the hole. The hole's an 11-inch hole. I did not want to put the 10-inch to 12-inch reducer on because it's going to restrict it by 2 inches and only got 1-inch restriction that way. So here it goes. Yeah. Look at that baby purr. Oh god dang, that thing about sucks my hand in there. It's 1700 CFM. That thing is so freaking quiet. Oh god dang. That is a massive amount of air, and it's not loud either. Like, we've already exhausted all the heat out of this place like immediately. 12-inch 1700 CFM can fan. I think it's the can fan. That's what it is, can fan.